Experiencing problems with your Straight Talk Global card or international dialing? You're not alone. Common issues include network unavailable errors, data throttling, and APN mismatches. First, ensure your global card is activated and your phone supports global LTE 5G bands. Next, verify your Straight Talk plan is active and includes international features. Then check your phone's APN settings. Go to Settings, Network, APN, and confirm it's set to Straight Talk's international profile, usually Internet. Restart your device. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk support at 1-877-430-2355 or via their app. Still having trouble? Make sure your phone's firmware is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If you're using an unlocked phone from another carrier, it may not be fully compatible. Be aware of data limits on global unlimited plans, usually 10 gigabytes at high speed. Switching to a day pass might be necessary. Looking ahead, Straight Talk is piloting digital global cards or eSIMs for easier activation. Also, VoIP apps like WhatsApp are increasingly popular for international calls. By 2026, expect AI-driven troubleshooting in the Straight Talk app, helping diagnose issues in real time. Stay updated with Straight Talk's website or app for the latest fixes and features.